Testing, 1, 2. Is this thing on? Okay, I want to show you the latest in vending machine technology. What we've built is a machine that will take over the mind of a vending machine and cause it to do something else than it was built to do. So instead of displaying its normal stuff, this vending machine will prompt people to come and tweet, and then they will get drinks for tweeting a certain hashtag. As we have this web interface where you can configure everything about the machine. So let's test it. First off, as you can clearly see, the machine specifically says you have to stand in front of the machine and you have to tweet with location switched on, and you have to tweet the hashtag boss test. So I'm going to, on my iPhone here, tweet something at boss test, but without switching on location. I don't know if you can see there at the bottom, the location icon is grayed out. There's quite funky patterns it's making if I do this. So I'm tweeting and the machine does nothing, but it should send me a tweet now. There we go. It's tuning me here. Hey, you have to switch on location, man. Are you doof? Okay, let's try it again with location. So the machine has reprimanded me heavily. There I've got location switched on in my Twitter client, and I'm testing again, but with location this time. Let's see what the machine does. Hey! That is my test account that I've created to test with. So I don't want all my followers to see all my tests. So it keeps on sort of flashing the name of whoever tweeted it, and then counts down to when it will become active again. Now I'm going to go far away from the machine and try and tweet from there. Let's see. Going out of the door. Okay, now we're in the park, sort of hopefully far away enough from the machine so it won't be able to see what we're tweeting. Or it will, but it will tune us to go closer to the machine. Let's try. I keep location switched on, and now I tweet Right, there we go, let's send it. Hey, there we're getting a message telling us we're too far from the machine. Brilliant. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the machine again. As you can see, this seems to work quite well. I think it actually works like magic, man. It's actually quite brilliant. I've got no idea how all this works. It's all magic.